Oh, it's still steaming. This is so good. Hi, this is Jen from Our Family Table. On tonight's menu is sausage gravy and biscuits with butter swim biscuits. So I'm gonna show you how I make my butter swim biscuits. Hi, we are back with our sausage gravy and our butter swim biscuits. So now it's time to give these a try. They look delicious. This is definitely not something you eat every day, but on a special occasion, you are good. Let's get this little guy out right here. Oh, see it steaming? Look. All right, look at those pretty butter swim biscuits. All right, let's move those out of the way so we can see what this guy looks like in the middle. It is soft and warm. It smells so good in here. I wish you could smell it. So here is sausage gravy. Let's put some on top of these. Get a little bit more. Let's give her a try. Let's get a good old bite here. Oh, it's still steaming. This is so good. The biscuits are soft, flaky. The top is a little bit crunchy from all that butter it cooked in. The sausage gravy is a little bit spicy. I use spicy sausage, but you could use whatever sausage you like and your family likes. And it's right amount of salt and pepper in this. This is definitely a try for your family. Go, make it, get yourself the ingredients. As always, wherever you are today, you are loved, you are blessed, and you are part of our family table. Bye for now.